Hello and welcome. Today I am working on a 14 by 18 inch canvas from Michaels. The colors I'll be using today will be titanium white mixed with metallic white and custom black. So when I mean custom, I just mean, I mixed ivory and Mars black together and then added a little bit of floetrol. So those are the colors I'm going to be using today. Going into this painting, I really do not know exactly what I want to do, like as far as technique. I know I just want to create some movement, which is why I went and grabbed my air puffer tool. I've used this tool before when acrylic paint pouring, but when I am doing the Dutch pour technique, because the paint is a lot more fluid. And when you are using this tool, especially with thicker paints, you want to make sure you don't leave any imprints in the paint. So when the paints are thinner, when you're doing the Dutch pour, that doesn't happen. So you don't have to worry about that. But the paints for this pour is a little bit thinner, so I should be good there. But I am done talking now. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll let you enjoy this video and talk to you again during the web result. acrylic paint. I am definitely going to do a couple more. I used up all of my titanium white that I had left over from the painting from a couple days ago. So I will be mixing up some more of that. I love the cells that formed here in this little swipe through that I created. So I did that with this palette knife, and I wasn't too sure about it at first, but once I tilted off the one that was on the bottom, I decided to keep the top one. And using my little air puffer tool, this is what you use when you want to move the paint, the alcohol inks and the alcohol along the Yupo paper. And it also blends the colors together as well. So I'll definitely get back into alcohol inks on this channel. I started alcohol inks probably about 3.5 years ago. So it's definitely time, but I love the movement and interest that it created there. So can't wait to see how this one dries. I'm definitely going to do a couple more black and white paintings, so stay tuned for those. I never know what technique I'm going to do, what exactly I'm going to do. Sometimes I do, but most of the time I'm just winging it. So stay tuned for the dry results for this one, because I'll only have the wet results, and I'll post a dry painting in my next video. Thank you for watching.